Now we're going to start a YouTube channel from scratch. This is something very easy to do, and it only takes a couple of minutes. First thing to do is open YouTube website. You should be already logged in so you can see the option to create a new channel. I'm using some random Google account I have for this example. You should click on your profile picture to see the drop-down menu. Okay, I don't know what was that. Okay, here we go. Now we click on Create a Channel. On this window, you chose your channel's name, your channel's handle, and if you want, you could upload your channel's logo, but you can do that later on. After you chose what name and handle you're going to use, you should click on Create Channel. Don't worry too much about your channel's name. You can change them later. On the next video, we are going to use the AI to help us find an awesome name for the channel, and that's pretty much it. Your channel is already created. You could start uploading videos if you want, but of course, we are not going to do that. If you click up here on Customize Channel, you will be brought to the YouTube Studio page where you will be able to check statistics, upload videos, customize your channel, and more. Let's get rid of this, and this. This tab here is pretty important. Branding is where you are going to upload your channel's logo, banner, and even watermark if you want to use that. This info right here, it's very important. You should check on these values before creating your logo. The image should be at least 98 by 98 pixels and weight no more than 4 megabytes. Take into account the logo will be cut on a circular form by YouTube, so keep that in mind. The banner is a little trickier because even when they say it's best for the image to be at least 2048 by 1152, there are actually 3 sizes, one for mobile, one for desktop, and one for smart TV. So you should use an image that works well on those 3 levels. And that's it. Creating a YouTube channel is a pretty simple and straightforward thing to do. See you on the next class. We are going to come up with the channel's name and description with AI's help.